Y'all, Mark from Mark's Life 101. Welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Mark's Life 101. I'm Mark, and this is my life. It's gonna be a little short video, but I'm working on the square body, the 1982 square body Chevrolet today, and the door panels. I'm gonna show you those. There, I've got this one off, and I've already started on it, and somebody has really went to town on some paint on these things, and I watched a few other videos about pressure washing it, so I did that, and it did take some of it off, but it did not take it all off. So I watched a video of somebody using brake parts cleaner to take it off. I tried that. It didn't do a really good job on this. I don't know what kind of paint they put on there, but it's pretty tough. Anyways, so I thought, alright, there's got to be a way to get it off. So I got a wire brush and like this on my drill, and I didn't put it in the drill to begin with, and I thought, well, I'll just rub on it really lightly. So right here you can see a little bit of scratching where I tested it, but I think I can get that out. Anyways, I figured out that if you put it in a drill, that it does a really good job of taking it off and bringing back the shine to it. Let's see if you can see it right here. So what I'm doing is just taking the drill and just putting a light pressure on it, and don't push down too hard because it will scratch it if you do, but just lightly do it and it will bring it right off of there. Now obviously it is a slow process, but I think new door panels are about $500 for a set. But if you look, you can see how shiny it brings it back, and it's not scratched. So I had rather do that than to spend $500 on a set of door panels. And you know, obviously this is a 1982 model truck, so it took 40 something years to get all this dirt and grime that's on here, and that's why somebody painted over it. So you're not gonna just take it off in 45 minutes. This is probably gonna be an all-day project to do both panels. So I'm gonna work on some more. I didn't bring a camera stand out here, and I'll try to show you what it looks like when I get most of this off of here and see how it came out. I've never done this before, so it's, you know, it's a learning curve for me. This might work for you. You know, do it at your own risk, but for me, it seems like it's something worth doing. So alright, we'll be back. Okay, so I got finished sanding it and thought about painting it, and then I changed my mind, and I decided that I was just going to wash it really good and see how that turned out. So let me turn you around and show you how it looks. Obviously it's still wet because I just washed it, but it actually cleaned up pretty good. Now I do know that there is some stuff that you get for bumpers that makes them go back black, and I seen another guy do this on his door panels, and it will make it all a uniform shade. So I'm probably going to pick some of that up and put that on there. But I think for me, I think this is fine. That's back to factory. I won't have to worry about paint coming off if I don't paint it. So I can obviously just keep polishing and cleaning it as I go, and it'll get better. It does have a little scratching right in here that you can see, and then there's some fingernail marks, you know, from over the years of people using the windows. But all in all, I'm pretty impressed with it. Of course, the top's still gonna have that little bit of wear in it, but you know, it's an old truck, so it should probably have a little bit of wear. It gives it character. So alright, so that is my video on cleaning a door panel, I guess, for the square body Chevrolet truck. I hope this helps you out. And let me remind you, if you push really hard on the wire brush, or you leave it in the same spot too long, it's gonna make the plastic hot, and then it's gonna scratch it. So you want to move it back and forth as you're using it, and that will keep it from overheating and scratching. After getting it put back on, this is what it turned out like. Now, it is not perfect, because like I said, it's 40 something years old. It's got a little bow right here in the plastic. Tried to heat that and get it laid back down, but it just gets worse, so I'm gonna leave it alone. But yeah, that's the final product. That suits me for now. I know it's still got to have the little plastic clips that covers that go here. I ended up dyeing this carpet piece. I glued it back on and dyed it, and I ended up painting this because it was some kind of gray or something, and I was gonna try and go with this color, but I couldn't match this color, so I just got the brown. So that's good because this is a two-tone truck, so that will kind of match the interior. The interior will be two-tone too. So all right, just I'll show you how it turned out. Remember to like and subscribe to the video, and thank y'all for watching, and God bless you. We'll see you next time.